In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Instrument panel, fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette houses fuses for essential interior functions, including the infotainment system, climate control, and power outlets. Each fuse is labeled to simplify troubleshooting and replacement. This fuse block helps protect and manage the electrical circuits specific to interior and dashboard components. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette provides fuses for rear-mounted electrical systems such as the tail lights, parking sensors, and fuel pump. Each fuse is clearly marked, allowing for easy identification and replacement. This fuse block ensures safe operation and protection of the vehicle's rear electrical components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.